Model, 2017 Ford Transit 350 Mark 8 2.2 TDCI Ulez compliant starts drives needs easy repair No Vat. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 103,000. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2125 PS TDCI-J. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts fine, van runs and drives good with no lights on the dash but top end has a slight knock. Could be an injector issue, or worst case some kind of rocker top end issue, but coming from the top end, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 2 former keepers, tow bar, electric windows. Euro status, Ulez compliant. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £5,675 plus VAT. Contact